Document Search is a feature of SmartHQ Service that offers a detailed search of all the documents and media related to GE appliances instantly. The search can be performed by model number and keywords. You can perform a document search from the dashboard screen. This feature allows you to access various documentation for your appliance. You can search for service bulletin and training videos specific to GE appliances. Performing document search helps to access documents instantly with a click of a button. It also helps to ensure that you have the latest versions of GE documentation in digital form. The keyword search allows you to easily find documents pertaining to these specific issues that you are trying to resolve.